This jump demonstration shows how to create a C control chart and a U control chart using Control Chart Builder. We're using the braces data from the sample data library. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Control Chart Builder. Number of defects goes in the Y role. Then I'll change the chart type to Shewhart attribute. I'll change the statistic to count for the C chart, then drag unit size into the end trials zone. Finally, I'll change the sigma to Poisson, C, and U. The C chart on counts can be hard to interpret with a variable unit size, so we'll switch to a U chart. I'll change the statistic to proportion, then click Done. The control limits still vary, but the center line is constant, and I can see there are 2 points out of control.